Alright, so we got a new truck. It's a, I think it's an 86, 84, 86. Don't laugh, Eric. Ranger, 2.3 with a thrown rod, 4-wheel drive, about 4-speed. And we're going to parts truck tomorrow and do a motor swap. So we're going to do a video blowing the motor because it still runs, believe it or not. So we'll do that tomorrow.
You want to show them the hole in the block?
Hole in the block?
The hole in the block.
Alright. Oh, I gotta pull the son of a bitch. There we go. Here it is. It's over on the other side. Boy, I almost dropped that on your head. Alright.
Get out your phone for light.
Right there. It has a new asshole. It still runs though, on 3 cylinders.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna do a video of blowing it up, so I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, anything else, Eric? I think that's good.